Good morning to you. This hike here in Temescal Canyon is an amazing place. And here we're sitting right in front of a rushing river. This is only 15 minutes from our Merrie compound. I want to send blessings to you today. So really, the message of the day isn't that complicated. We're just walking the same old road for miles and miles, meeting so many people on the trails with big smiles. It's a good life. Hey, it's a good life. Family life is better every day. It's a merry way. Climb up, up, up. You can't see the top. We're going to the very top of this hill. Look at this. Look at this natural rock here. Wow. We're going to go right. Boy, I'm winded right now. We're going to just follow this trail up. Leaf. That is so cool. He's going to blow it one more time. That is a good whistle, isn't it? Sometimes we are wrapped in a web. The spider's right nearby. That's what she said. We're taking a direction from this site. So now we're listening to some unnatural sounds. Another jet going by. We're the height of the mountains. The birds are still singing. Modern man is cruising over us. Wonder where they're going. What could be back there? I don't want to know. Not going in, it's a den. I think that's no place we want to go. They're so dense here that you can't even see how deep it is. This is a very deep ravine, and we're going straight uphill now. Hiker song. Ooh, they moved right past it. You have to know to let somebody go quicker than you. They're almost gone, out of sight, out of mind. 3 leaves, let it be. Poison oak is staring at me. Sneaking underneath the trees, look what I saw in the breeze. Another poppy staring at. What will I do with that? There their feet are going right down Daisy Street. This is the coolest road you can go. This is the better life. The better. Help! You're gonna make a path? Where's this waterfall? Right there? All I see is people. What? Who are you with? What group?
UCLA.
UCLA.
Yeah.
My alma mater. I'm just partying. Thank you so much. You. Yay, UCLA. All right. All right. The river flow, oh, 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 go with the flow. Where does it go? Following that river round the bend. This is the beginning, not the end. That's one thing we don't do on the hike. If we spill our water, we could get dehydrated. So, little blooms, white and sweet as night, they are waking up with such delight. I can tell you just from better life. It's a good life. Better life. Hey, it's a good life. Hey, say it's a merry way day.